Yeah, everybody, that applause is for you. It has been amazing what you have done this year. I truly cannot believe what we have accomplished, what you have accomplished. Congratulations, everybody. I'm so proud of you all. Normal Olson here, if there is such thing as a Normal Olson. It's our last video, so let's enjoy the end of the school year. How about we start by finishing off these problems of the day? Let's talk about this real quick, everybody. This is, of course, the one that I could never do. Man, I don't know why. My brain just wouldn't see this. But take a look at this, everybody. So don't feel bad if you couldn't do it. Just make your brain smarter by understanding the solution. And next time say, I'm going to keep trying. I'm never going to give up. All right, here we go. We had to cut the stamps up to make them fit into my stamp collecting book. Watch this one, everybody. Only one cut. It just goes a little zigzag. Boom. A little something like that, and you get two pieces. Just like this one down here. Boom! You cut it into two, you can slide this guy, slide it right over, and there we have it. Our 4 columns with 3 rows that fits right into my stamp book perfectly. Amazing, isn't it? All right, moving right along. Oh, this number 2 is a little bit harder than a lot of people thought. You asked the wrong guy how to do this because I'm going to get all algebraic on you. Are you ready? Take a look at this, everybody. If we got a bat and a ball, costs $1.10. Okay, then you tell me that the bat it costs $1 more than that ball does. All right, well, get ready, everybody. Here comes some Math 8 for you. All right, this bat is equal to these things. So whenever I see a bat, I can now replace that bat with what it's equal to. We call it substitution. All right, so the bat is actually 1 plus the ball, isn't it? I replace the bat with what it is. Then we're going to add another ball, and that gives you the $1.10. All right, now let's go back to our 7th grade math skills. Let's combine like terms. A ball and a ball, doesn't that make 2 balls, everybody? And we still got that extra 1, which equals $1.10. So to isolate that ball, let's subtract this 1 from both sides. That makes that go away. I still got my 2 balls, but now when I subtract $1, all I have left is that 10 cents. So what does that mean? 2 balls cost 10 cents. Well, if I divide both sides by 2, I can prove that that baseball, everybody, is equal to only 5 cents. 5 cents, 0.05. Don't write 0.5, that's 50 cents. Does that make sense? Well, let's take a look. Let's check our work. The bat costs $1 more. Well, if the ball costs 5 cents, then the bat has to cost $1.05. That would be $1 more. And $1.05 and 5 cents give us the correct answer of $1.10. Ooh, that one was tricky. How about our lily pad, everybody? What'd you think of that one? Well, let's think about this one for a second. If it's half full and it doubles, won't it be full the very next day? If you double a half, you get a whole. Well, if it was full on the 48th day, working backwards, when was it half full? Oh boy, not on the 24th day, everybody. On the 47th day. 47th day. And finally, everybody, let's call it number 4. Oh, we're talking about those 3 positive integers, those 3 magic numbers. What could they be? Well, I suggested we make a factor rainbow. Look at all the factors for 90. I didn't know that number 18 could go into 90. Thank you, factor rainbow. I also knew that the mean had to be 8. That means when you add up these 3 numbers, divide it by 3, it has to be 8. Work it backwards. 8 times 3 is 24. That tells me that whatever 3 numbers I come up with have to add up to 24. Yeah, it took a lot of guess and checks, but 1 times 5 times 18 does equal 90. And if you add all 3 of these up, you get 24, which means the mean has to be 8. Wow. Hey, everybody. All right, let me take you on a quick final tour of the classroom. Thanks, everybody, for keeping track of all my misses. I even hit poor Chris Lawson one time. What was that, September, December, January, March? I guess I'm not as good as I think. You guys remember that first day of school? Make that peanut butter and jelly sandwich? And then, oh boy, did we start going through some weeks. All of those problems, all those quotes of the week, all that beautiful graffiti on my walls. Thank you, Alexa, for my beautiful class. I had somebody to talk to when you guys weren't here. Man, but those quotes of the week keep going and going. I think it was somewhere right around here where we hit that online learning. And then, of course, yesterday I shared with you that nice long letter. That means there's only one more quote of the week left. Well, I work for some schools, everybody, that really the kids love their yearbooks. And whenever I used to sign my yearbook, I'd always put the same quote. So here it is, everybody, our last quote of the year, my favorite quote of all time. I even put it onto a stamp. You guys even know what that is? Back in the old days, when teachers were too tired from writing the same thing all the time, they'd have these stamps made. And I could stamp it, and I can put it right onto that piece of paper, and I'm all done. So, take a look at this, everybody. Here is my last quote of the year. And, of course, it's my favorite. Can you guys see that? This one, everybody, is by a man named Henry David Thoreau. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Really think about that one, everybody. That's the most important quote from me. And I hope you guys are starting to value what quotes can do for you. Inspire you, get you to do more. Man, you guys have so many forks in this road of life, and you're going to make some mistakes. You're going to take the wrong route sometimes, just like we all did. That's normal, and you're going to learn the hard way, like we all did. But you keep pursuing your dreams. Do what you want to do. Live the life you have imagined. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, here we go, everybody. The very last assignment of the year. Here's what I'm going to ask you guys to do. Just a quick reflection, if you don't mind. End of year reflection, let's call it. This is a homework assignment. Last way to raise your grade. Unless you want to go back and start fixing some of the ones or doing the ones you never did in the first place. Which is fine if you don't. Just answer these 3 questions, everybody, with some kind of brief sentences here. Here's what I want to know. What worked for me in math class this year? Doing your homework, did that help? I don't know, something like that. What did not work for you this year? Oh, maybe you didn't come for extra help. That would have been helpful. And what would you do differently if you had to do it all over again? Just one little sentence for every one of those, everybody, and we'll raise your grade even more. And always remember, there's no such thing as a normal Olsen.